Hi everybody, this is Linda and welcome back to Hands That Cook. Now I promised you a video today and we've got it. And this is adapted from Barefoot Contessa Ina Garden. And it is a dip. And it's called sun-dried tomato dip. So I started a little ahead of you because I wanted to try to make my videos a little shorter. Alright, in the bowl, underneath this is an 8-ounce block of full cream cheese softened. This is 1/4 cup of sun-dried tomatoes that were packed in oil, drained, and then I dabbed them with a paper towel and chopped up. It's 1/2 cup of sour cream, 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, and use a good mayonnaise. Do not use that sweetened stuff. I forget the name of it. This is 3/4 of a teaspoon of fresh ground black pepper. This is 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, and be sure you use kosher because if you don't, it's going to be too salty. Kosher's just got a lighter taste to it. And now the last 2 things I'm putting in, I did save some for you. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1 for the cook, 10. 10 shakes of Tabasco. And this is 2 thinly sliced scallions, although I didn't use the whole scallion because I don't like a lot of onion in anything. I like an onion taste, but I don't want it to take over. I like it a background taste in onions. Now, it says to use a food processor, but I'm going to try to mix this in my bowl, and I'll bring you back. Alright, it only took a few minutes for me to use that hand mixer to get this all combined, but I will say this. If I had used a food processor that was suggested in the recipe, this would have all been chopped up finer what went in it. And I'll put the recipe below. You can use vegetables, flatbread, crackers, chips, and we're just using Triscuits. So I'm going to pass this dip and the Triscuits around here for, excuse me, Sam to sample. I'll have to get in further. Whoop. So you can get them both. And here's the fork to dip it.
What I need a fork for?
To put it on your cracker.
You can't dip it?
Well, you'd have to double dip. Now on top I just sprinkled a few greens from the scallions.
Yeah, it makes it look good.
It does, doesn't it?
Well, I'm particular about my dip, especially during football season, which will be here before we know it.
I know it.
Here we go. Very, very good, and I tell you, that's better than you can buy in stores. You know, that store-bought dip. A lot.
Well, I guess so.
And
it's different. I mean, you know.
Yeah. Yeah, I really like that.
Not too many sun-dried tomatoes out there. Whoop. You'll eat it anyway, won't you, Sammy?
Why, sure. I just
Clean counters, guys. All right.
Yeah.
I hope you try this recipe. You might want to have it on
Try it. It's very, very
on a
good.
holiday or anytime you're having company or watch a game or whatever. I would like, even though I added an extra dash or two of Tabasco, I'd like a little more in there. But other than that, the seasonings are perfect. So I hope you all try it and love it. Thank you for coming in today and spending part of your day with me. I always appreciate it very much. If you like this recipe, give me a thumbs up. And subscribe if you haven't. It only takes a few seconds. And when the bell comes up, hit that bell. And you'll be notified every time I make upload a new video. So until next time, you all take care. And God bless every one of you.
Yeah, it's very tasty.